This is a demo on Uday Make Insulating Oil Testing Set OTSA series. The model is OTSA 100, has capacity of 0 to 100 kV. This is a fully automatic oil testing set with a built-in printer, and 100 test results can be saved in the database with RS-232 port and jog mouse. The menu selection says test cycle. Once you go in test cycles, you have selection of manual operation as per IEC 156, user definition as per ASTM D877, as per ASTM D1816, 5-minute test, proof test A, proof test B. These are all factory programmed. Only user definition can be programmed by the user, wherein you can select the initial wait time, kV rise, steer like this. Example, 10 seconds. You can make it 20 seconds, and the HV rise can be selected from 2 kV per second to 3 kV or 5 kV per second. And what is the steer time? Like you want to make it 30 seconds, you can make 30 seconds. The wait time after the stir time can also be changed, and the number of tests can be selected as per user requirement. So yeah, this can be tested, and in this case we are testing this oil, and we have selected this menu and going for this test. You can see the test. There are 3 tests, and it says door open. This is a safety feature in this. If the door is not properly closed, this tester will not work properly. And now the door has been fit properly. Now you can see the test. So this safety feature has also been shown to you. The initial wait time has gone, and now you can see the HV rise. You will see HV rise. Then you will see the flash in the oil cup, and see stirring is 28 seconds. It will stir. For stirring, you have to put this magnum inside the oil test cell for the magnum to turn and stir the oil. In user definition, we have selected number of tests as 3, so the display shows 3 tests, and it shows the status of the cycle. It's stirring now. After the stir, we have selected 20 seconds for wait time. So after stirring, it is waiting for the oil to settle properly for 20 seconds, and then again the HV rise will go, and then the 3 test cycle will complete, and you will get an average. Thank you so much.